After the age of 60, your balance begins to decline, often faster than you think. It's not just a part of aging, it's a silent threat. According to the CDC, 1 out of 4 older Americans falls each year, and falls are the leading cause of fatal and non-fatal injuries in seniors. But the good news is this: balance, like muscle, can be trained and improved, even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond. In this video, you'll learn 3 simple, science-backed exercises that can dramatically improve your balance, boost confidence in your stride, and help prevent devastating falls. You can do them at home in just a few minutes a day. Let's get started. Part 1. Why balance declines after 60. Aging and the balance system. Balance isn't just about staying upright. It's a complex system that involves your eyes, inner ear, vestibular system, joints, muscles, and brain. As we age, each of these systems can lose function. Eyesight weakens, reducing depth perception and peripheral vision. Inner ear structures degenerate, affecting spatial orientation. Muscle mass declines, a condition called sarcopenia, which begins as early as your 30s but accelerates after 60. Joint stiffness reduces your ability to react quickly to changes in position. Brain processing slows, which can delay your body's response time during a stumble. Medications and health conditions. Certain health conditions and medications also worsen balance. Blood pressure medications can cause dizziness upon standing. Diabetes can lead to nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy, especially in the feet. Arthritis can reduce mobility in the knees and hips. Parkinson's disease, stroke, and cognitive decline are major contributors to instability. Loss of balance. Loss of independence. Falls are more than a physical injury. They often lead to hip fractures, which have a 1-year mortality rate as high as 30%. Loss of confidence, causing seniors to limit movement. Social isolation, as fear of falling keeps them homebound. Rapid physical decline, as immobility leads to further muscle and bone loss. But here's the critical insight: balance can be trained, and even small daily exercises can make a major difference. Let's move on to the 3 moves every senior should do. Part 2. Move 1, single leg stand with support. Why it works. The single leg stand is a simple way to train static balance, your ability to hold a position without falling. It also engages your core, ankle stabilizers, and improves proprioception, your body's awareness of position. This move is linked to reduced fall risk and even longer life. A 2022 study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that adults who couldn't stand on one leg for at least 10 seconds were nearly twice as likely to die in the next 7 years than those who could. How to do it. Stand behind a chair or next to a counter. Hold the back of the chair lightly with one hand. Lift one foot a few inches off the ground. Try to hold for 10 to 30 seconds. Repeat on the other leg. Progression. Reduce hand support. Close your eyes. Advanced. Hold for up to 60 seconds per leg. How often? Daily, ideally 2 to 3 sets per leg. Part 3. Move number 2. Heel to toe walk. Tandem walk. Why it works. This dynamic balance exercise mimics the demands of walking in a straight line, navigating crowds, or stepping over obstacles. It improves ankle mobility, coordination, leg strength, gait precision. It's often used in neurological assessments because it directly correlates with fall risk. How to do it. Stand with your arms out to the sides for balance. Place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of the opposite foot. Walk forward 10 steps, heel to toe. Turn around and walk back. Tip: imagine walking on a tightrope. Keep your steps slow and deliberate. How often? 3 to 5 times, 3 to 4 days a week. Progression: carry light hand weights. Do it with eyes closed, only if safe and supervised. Part 4. Move number 3, sit to stand from a chair. Why it works. This exercise is the gold standard for improving lower body strength, especially in the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, all vital for getting up from chairs, toilets, or the floor. It also trains momentum control, a key element in preventing falls while transitioning from sitting to standing. How to do it. Sit in a sturdy chair with your feet flat and knees at a 90-degree angle. Cross your arms over your chest or keep them on your thighs. Lean slightly forward and stand up using your legs. Slowly sit back down without plopping. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. Tip: if needed, place a pillow on the chair to reduce the range of motion. How often? 3 to 4 times per week, 2 to 3 sets. Part 5. Bonus: balance boosting habits. Beyond these exercises, you can protect and improve your balance with a few daily habits. 1. Go barefoot indoors, if safe. Shoes can interfere with sensory feedback. Walking barefoot strengthens foot muscles and improves balance. Avoid this if you have diabetes or foot numbness. 2. Strengthen your core. Balance depends heavily on your trunk stability. Add simple abdominal exercises like seated knee lifts, pelvic tilts, or bird dogs to your routine. 3. Get your eyes and ears checked. Yearly checkups for vision and hearing can catch problems that disrupt balance early. 4. Review your medications. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any drugs that may cause dizziness or unsteadiness, especially blood pressure meds, sleep aids, and antidepressants. 5. Stay active daily. Walking, Tai Chi, and water aerobics are all great low-impact ways to stay limber and maintain coordination. Part 6. What to watch for. Balance red flags. If you're experiencing any of the following, talk to your healthcare provider. You grab furniture while walking indoors. You avoid uneven surfaces or stairs. You've had 1 or more falls in the past 12 months. You feel dizzy or unsteady regularly. Your stride has become slower or shorter. Early intervention is critical. Don't wait until a fall sends you to the ER. You have more control than you think. Balance decline is not inevitable. With just 10 to 15 minutes a day, you can strengthen your legs, retrain your balance system, and move with more confidence. Let's recap the 3 moves. Single leg stand for stability and longevity. Heel to toe walk for dynamic coordination. Sit to stand for power and independence. Remember, prevention is the best medicine. These simple moves can help you stay independent, mobile, and active for years to come. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs it, and be sure to check out our other videos on senior strength and wellness. Stay steady, stay strong, and keep moving forward.